Usually what happens is when we are talking about B2B customers, there is usually an onboarding form where the customer needs to fill in all their details. So the challenge that we usually see is there is a lot of information that the customer would key in these forms, but these need to be verified and validated before we can push it into the backend master data management systems, right? So that's usually these processes are done manually, so they are error prone and also time consuming. That's where we bring in an agentic AI solution, because now using prompts, we are able to tell the agent what are the different verifications and validations that need to be done from the information that has been filled into the form. We also have a notification agent that will inform the right teams in case there are anomalies found. And once all this is validated, verified and validated, and we know it's a gold record, then we have another agent which can successfully push it into your back-end master data management system. Of course, with all this, we have logged in all the details, all the audit logs are mentioned, so the governance is also in place. With this kind of an agentic AI solution, we are seeing almost 90% reduction in failures, and that's how
Every year we do a very large survey called the Work Trend Index, and it's one of the largest work trends studies in the world. And one of the insights that came out of the last one that we did in 2025, just a few months ago, was 80% of CFOs expect to expand their digital labor force. And what they meant by that is, instead of as they're growing, hiring more people, they expect to get more out of the people they have by augmenting each employee with these types of agentic workflows and creating effectively digital employees which can complete a lot of these tasks. And that is creating a lot of shareholder value, and that's why CFOs are really pivoting a lot of their strategy and investments around that. So I think what you're describing there in the detail very much aligns with the top level view that we see from the senior folks we work with.